Hello teachers, today I'm thrilled to share an exciting classroom activity, the Park Design Challenge. This challenge isn't just about designing a park, it's about understanding the diverse needs and wishes of our community members. In our last lesson, we talked about human-centric design by interviewing just one human, but today we're dealing with many, a whole community. It's community-centric design. Why is this important? Ask your students to imagine investing their life savings in a business idea, only to find out later that it doesn't resonate with your customers. That's why understanding the community's needs is crucial in the design process. In this challenge, students will work in small groups to design a blueprint for a new community park. But here's the catch. They'll need to consider the perspectives of various community members to ensure their park design is inclusive and caters to everyone's needs. Let's meet some of our community members. We have Emma, a mother of 3 who's looking for a safe and shaded space for her children to play. Betty, a 76-year-old who's hoping for a peaceful area with accessible pathways. Blair, a fitness enthusiast in need of a skate park and training facilities. And Stephanie, a young nurse who craves outdoor fitness activities and social connections. All of these profiles are fully detailed in the free online classroom. Go to enterprisinggirls.com.au and then click on Online Classroom in the Teacher Hub. Each group will choose one community member and analyse their pains and gains for this project. It's all about understanding their unique needs, wishes, hopes and dreams for the park. Now, armed with this valuable insight, students will work together to design a park that meets the diverse needs of our community. They'll need to get creative and think outside the box to ensure their design is inclusive and innovative. With paper and drawing materials in hand, students will have 30 minutes to brainstorm, sketch and collaborate on their park designs. As educators, we play a crucial role in fostering empathy, problem solving and collaboration skills in our students. The Park Design Challenge is not just a fun activity, it's a valuable learning experience that empowers students to make a positive impact in their community. After the challenge, groups will present their park designs to the class, sharing their creative ideas and explaining how they address the needs of their chosen community member. Fantastic job, everyone! Remember, designing a park isn't just about creating a space. It's about creating an experience that enriches the lives of everyone in the community. And that wraps up our Park Design Challenge lesson. I hope you found it inspiring and insightful for your own classroom activities. Until next time, happy teaching! Remember to visit the Enterprising Girls website and grab the entire lesson plan for free. You'll find the link in the description below. We provide an online classroom where you can monitor your students' progress, access curriculum links, and streamline reporting. Explore it at enterprisinggirls.com.au by clicking on the online classroom in the Teacher Hub.